I'm Jack Tenney of the Juke Squad. I don't know what my life has come to. This is incredible! This is the greatest day of my life! I'm so happy! What is going on, fellow members of the Juke Squad? I might as well start my vlog at Skim Camp today because we have 40 campers. You having fun?
Yeah!
All right. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We got a record today, 40 campers?
No way.
Yeah, for real.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with
Ed Wiener made it. Shredwin. We out here. It's funny you walk out here and somebody's like, Ed Wiener.
Yeah, I was like, dang it.
It's not.
I thought
you
it was
can't hide.
over.
No, it's never ogre. All right. How are you doing, Jay?
Doing awesome. I'm about to catch this dope line.
No, you're not.
My homie.
No, you're not. Flip check.
Flip it.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, we are 40 deep today. Is a record. Everybody's having a great time. We just did a bodyboard session. Check out the drone shots really quick. Fade to black. Yeah, right, there we go. You guys wanted to be in the vlog, right? There we go. Juke Squad, Skim Camp. We're gonna do something on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Juke Squad! Alright, is everybody having fun? Alright, get out there, get your boards, we'll play some new tricks. Let's get barreled. There's some amazing waves out there today. Yeah. Oh, thanks. Wax. I got waxed. Everybody is killing it today. Literally a 40-man camp. It is a record. And it's his birthday! Wait, all 3, happy birthday! Oh, birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! So, we just finished with Skim Camp, and now we're at the Juke Squad compound, the beautiful compound where the stilted trampoline lies. Hey, today is like 1 year from the kickoff of Trampoline Versus, which was Trampoline Versus Mousetraps, the first big viral Trampoline Versus video. Yeah, wow. That is the world's biggest fidget spinner, mounted on top of 2 surfboards. So now we're gonna go surfing with the world's biggest trampoline fidget spinner. Isn't that right, Jack?
That's right. Fidget spinning. Jack Tenney. Juke Squad. Nothing like them. Subscribe today.
When did you get so ugly, Jack? We're out here. We got Bubsy, we got Holden, we got Alex, we got Dean, we got Pierce. Time to send. I'm still gonna send it.
Yeah, we're still gonna send it.
So yeah, I don't know how this is. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. Jack, when did you get here?
This is a good-looking version of Jack.
What's going on, fellow members of the Juke Squad? We're out here today to go on the world's biggest fidget spinner in the ocean on top of 2 paddles. How are you feeling today, Mr. Dick Savage?
You missed it. Everyone voted me as Savage.
Okay, guys, comment down below whether you think it should be Mr. Savage or Dick Savage.
No, we already did this.
Dick
It was
Savage
100 to 3.
Okay, comment down below.
Savage.
Either,
No, he wants a
either.
revote.
Okay,
We don't want a revote.
I would like a revote. Either Mr. Savage,
He already did
No.
Dick
we already
Savage,
did it.
or
I'm
Mr.
Savage
Dick
only.
Savage.
None of
Comment
those-
down
none of
below
those
what you
savages.
think his new nickname should be, and then we'll get hats and shirts made.
And if you think he should be called Mr. Dickhead, just put him #1 on every comment.
No, no. This is Jack Tenney here. I'm excited for you to be a part of this journey. Let's send it! Possibly the worst idea we've ever had. Oh my God! Bubs, don't stop, dude. We need to. Let's not break it before we do this. Remember, Dad, getting the shot on this is more important than Snapchat. Okay?
Come here.
Yeah.
That red button, the middle top comes on. Next to the
All right, let's do it. Oh, we're good. Go that way, that way, that way, that way.
Run up there and find him. Tell him to get the damn thing up. Too late. What the f is wrong with it?
Stop recording, the whole thing just flipped over. What the f? Are you okay? Oh my God! Ow! Ow! This is incredible! This is the greatest day of my life! I'm so happy!
Yeah, brother. It's a Matuna
It's like a wind turbine.
It's a Matuna Matata.
Look, dude, we're cruising. Bye, America. We out here. We're sailing into a wave. Oh my God, we're gonna die. Catch it! Catch it! We're catching it! Oh, sh! Oh, we should go in. We should go in. Oh, we should catch one more. We should catch one in. Yeah! It works! It works! Mission accomplished! Yeah! Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. And we'll see you tomorrow, possibly the next day, with a new video. Peace.
I'm still gonna send it.